Welcome to our review of the Epure corded headset. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at its features, design, and performance. So let's get started. The Epure corded headset comes neatly packaged with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you'll find headset itself, a user manual, and a detachable microphone. The headset features a sleek and modern design with a lightweight build, the ear cups for maximum comfort during long listening sessions, and they can be adjusted to fit any headsets. One of the standout features of this headset is the detachable microphone. It easily connects to the headset, allowing you to use it for voice calls, gaming, or online meetings. Find a set of convenient control buttons. These buttons allow you to adjust the volume, mute the microphone, and answer or end calls with just a press of a button. The ePure corded headset is compatible with a wide range of devices, including a smartphone. It has a universal 3.5 mm audio jack, making it easy to connect and use wherever you go. Now let's talk about the audio quality. The ePure corded headset delivers crisp and clear sound whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or engaging in a conversation. The noise cancelling feature ensures that you can focus on without any distractions. The microphone also performs exceptionally well. It captures your voice accurately and reduces background noise, making it perfect for calls and online meetings. Considering features and performance, the price, it's an affordable option if you're looking for a reliable and versatile headset. In conclusion, the ePure corded headset is a stylish, comfortable, and high-performing headset that's suitable for various activities. Its sleek design, detachable microphone, and impressive audio quality make it a great choice for both personal and professional use. See you on the next video. Bye.